Hello, this is Lori Cozzolino, the STCE Flex Coordinator. I'm here to give you a little bit of information about Flex. The 2019-2020 Continuing Education Academic Calendar includes 5 instructional improvement or Flex days for all 18-week classroom, contract, and adjunct faculty. Flex is defined as activities in lieu of instruction and is designed for faculty to conduct staff, student, and instructional improvement activities. These hours must be monitored for state apportionment. And all contract faculty who have an 18-week classroom assignment and adjunct faculty with 18-week classroom assignments who teach on the designated instructional improvement days will have a required Flex obligation. The Flex days for spring 2020 are as follows: Thursday, January 23rd, 2020, and Friday, January 24th, 2020. If you need any more information, don't hesitate to contact me, Lori Cozzolino, LCOZZOLI at sdcc.edu, or call me at 619-388-4836. Thanks for visiting.